Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Sheila.
And if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button.
And ring the bell.
And we will notify you every time we have a new recipe. And for all you returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here again with us this week. And we have got a special treat.
Yes, a sweet treat.
That's right. Sheila's been telling me about, I got a sweet tooth.
Yes.
She's like, I want something sweet. So
yes.
This is like the perfect recipe to bring to a party and that feeds lots of people, and you are going to love it. I know our family loves it.
That's awesome.
It is so good and so many different flavors.
The flavors are just bursting in it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you've had one of those recipes where you can taste each and every ingredient. This is one of those.
This is it. So we are going to take you back and we're going to show you how it's done. All right, so we just got a 14-ounce box of honey graham crackers.
Yes.
And we're just going to put them in these Ziploc bags. And we're going to go ahead and crush these up. This is Sheila's favorite part.
It is. I love this part right here where you just get all your frustrations out if you got any.
Bash them in. Now, you guys can use a regular food processor or whatever you got. But I'm just going to put them in the Ziploc and use my little smasher.
Yeah, I'm going to bang away on that.
Get them all crushed up here. And we're going to crush all 3 of these packages. And just dump them in a bowl.
I can tell this is going to be easy.
Mm-hmm. And then we've got a stick and a half of butter. And we're going to melt this butter in the microwave. So just get them in there.
Now we're going to pour the butter over the graham crackers.
And then we're just going to mix it. Just really want to get it all mixed in so all that graham cracker is completely covered.
Completely buttered.
Completely buttered.
Completely buttered.
Then we got our baking dish.
Yes, we're going to spray that good.
Oh, yeah. We're going to take our nonstick cooking spray and spray the bottom of this dish. And then we're going to pour
all the graham crackers and it's mixed up with butter into the bowl and press it out.
And we're just going to spread that evenly. And I like using a fork because it makes it easier to kind of press it down. And what we want to do is just get that as level as possible all the way around. I love the smell of graham crackers.
Oh, I do too. Mm.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes until the butter solidifies with the graham crackers while we're prepping all the other stuff that's going to go on it. So, and this won't take too long, but it will get harder and solidify together. So we'll put this in. Then we've got some softened cream cheese.
8-ounce package.
And a half a stick of butter. So, and these are both softened. Didn't you just say that? Well, the butter softened too. And we're just going to take our mixer here and we're just going to mix this together. And once this is mixed together, we're going to add in 1 cup of confection sugar. And you can use Swerve or whatever if you guys want to watch your sugar intake. Or you can use the real deal. It's up to you. Either way, you probably wouldn't even notice a difference. Then we got 1 more cup. Sprinkling that in, Sheila. Just want to scrape it off the sides as you go. It gets real sticky.
And now we're using our bananas.
We've got 3 bananas.
We're only going to be using 2 though, aren't we?
Yeah, we're only going to use 2 because these are big bananas. I got 3, but I don't think we're going to need them because these are really, really big. So.
And we're going to do some strawberries. Cut those in half. I love strawberries.
Mm-hmm. It's that time of year for strawberries, too.
All the good stuff is coming out right now. Strawberries, blueberries.
I know. I've been picking them and putting them in the freezer. So we're just going to slice these up and...
Well, you're going a little faster there, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, some crushed pineapple.
And this is just your 14-ounce can. And we're going to drain that and get all the juice out of there. Because, you know, this juice ain't going to waste. We're drinking it later.
Right. We love this pineapple juice.
We took that out of the refrigerator, and now it's all solidified, and we are ready to put our cream cheese topping.
And it's stiff right now.
Yes, it is. And we're going to just dollop this on evenly.
In different spots.
Yes.
Look at her go.
I know, look at me go. And we're just going to keep it's just easier when you dollop this on, and evenly, so that when you start spreading it around, it makes it a little bit easier, especially when it's this sticky. So,
and that way you won't get the graham crackers on it.
Exactly. And I could not find my little spatula, so I found this little pie slicer thing. So I've got some warm water here, and that's really going to help you spread this out evenly because it's so sticky.
Yeah, so next comment's going to be on the cooking show. Why have you got a pie? Oh, hold it.
Why you got a pie slicer?
Yeah.
Well, because I couldn't find my other spatula.
Exactly.
So. But you know what? It works. So, and the warm water thing is like a trick you use with ice cream. It works for this too. But look at it. It helps spread it so evenly.
You use what you got on hand.
That's right. This is what we had on hand.
Right.
So we're just going to spread that all around as even as possible. Then
here goes the bananas.
Just going to put that in as even as I can get it to my eye.
Here in Tennessee, they're called nanners.
Nanners.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the South in general. But we got quite a bit of nanners there. But you can't have a banana split without nanners. So get all those.
You know, one year, many years ago, I made a banana pudding and forgot to put the bananas in it.
How do you make banana pudding without bananas?
I don't know. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I was thinking.
Well, you had pudding.
Yeah.
Then we're going to just sprinkle on some of this yummy crushed pineapple just around.
I love that.
And I use the fork because I don't really want to, I just want to just fork it around just a little bit without messing up my nanners.
Yeah, that was nanners. Now, look at her go.
That's right.
Get that on there. I'm ready to eat.
Got that pineapple, and then get all that around. And then, of course,
strawberries.
And this was from my garden. Like I said, I froze them when I picked them. So I just took them out of the freezer and thawed them a little bit and sliced them up. They're actually easier to cut when they're still a little frozen. So, and it's not going to hurt this because this is going to go in the ice box anyway. So,
and you know how much we like color.
That's right. There's Sheila and her color.
Yes.
And this is a great dish, man. I mean, you could take this anywhere. This is a good party. I thought maybe even
and a
at
good
Christmas.
holiday one.
Yeah. And we got some Cool Whip here. Now, you can make your own Cool Whip if you want to, but we're just going to use the tub because we're going to make it easy. And dollop this evenly, too.
Just keep that up. Pile that on there.
And we're just going to spread that around evenly.
You'll spread the love around.
Spread the love right over the top of those strawberries.
Bananas.
And then some
cherries.
maraschino cherries.
Maraschino.
One of those maraschinos. And just gotta have cherry on top of that.
That's like trying to say Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. You might as well say Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, that's right up there with that one.
Uh-huh.
Maraschino cherries are yummy. And then some
they are.
nuts. Any kind of nuts. This is just peanuts that we're putting on here that are
Yeah,
crushed.
pecans would be good.
Oh, yeah.
Walnuts, don't matter.
Any kind of peanuts or nuts that you like.
Anything we do, you can always substitute.
Absolutely. And then, of course, some chocolate syrup. You can use hot fudge. You can use whatever kind of chocolate syrup you want. We're just going to drizzle that across. And then...
What have you done?
It's upside down, I know.
Okay.
But it's caramel, and we're going to go the other way and drizzle across this way some caramel syrup. And there you have it. Look at that.
Oh.
This is a great dish, and I guarantee you this is a party favorite.
Yes, look at that right there.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours and let it sit, and then we're going to take it out and serve it. All right, let's cut into some of this. What do you think?
I'm ready.
That look good.
Yes, I want both of those little cherries.
And the cherry. Oh, I'll get that cherry in there too.
Good.
She wants 2 cherries, so we're gonna put it on there. Would you look at this?
Look here.
Oh my gosh, yum!
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's time to have a bite of this.
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Ready?
No, wait a minute.
Come on,
get
get
this.
it together, would you, girl? Okay,
ready?
here we go. Mmm. She's like a kid.
I know.
I'm like,
Look at all that right here.
It's so good.
I
Wait
love that.
until you taste it. You're gonna absolutely love this. No doubt.
Exactly.
Best summer dessert I've ever had.
Yeah, like we was talking about earlier, I mean, you can taste every one of these little ingredients.
It's just delicious. Well, as Steve would say, is this the best banana split cake? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. Oh, let's go.
Look at this.
Look at all that chocolate, and strawberries, and
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.